And next tag is the text level tag. Okay, or the special character. Basically, in HTML, uses some tags which are used for formatting the given text which is available in your web page. So first tag is B tag or the bold tag. Basically, the bold tag is used to bold the content in available format. So for the purpose of bold the content, we use the particular HTML provides the B tag to bold the content. So the text surrounded by the B tag, opening B tag and closing B tag is displayed on the website in the bold format. For example, here we can display the particular information in the bold format. For example, if we display my name, Priyanka Nitin Patil. Okay, here is the plain text is there, but if you want to display my name, first name in bold format, so we have to enclose with that Priyanka in B tag. Here we have to end that B tag. Here is the reflection. The Priyanka is a display in bold, and normally the Nitin Patil display in the normal font size. This is the example of B tag. Next one is a italic tag. So in HTML, whenever we want to display the particular text in italic format, so we need to be consider the tag I. So the text surrounded by the I tag is displayed on the website in the italic format. So here is the example to display the particular information in italic format. So we have to take the same example. Closing the I tag. Here is the reflection. The Priyanka word is displayed in the italic format, and normally Nitin Patil is displayed in normal format. So here is the example of italic tag called as a I tag. Next one is a teletype tag. Basically, this tag is used to display the teletype text. So basically, double T is represented to display or to perform the operation. So the example of teletype tag is when we display, same example we have to consider. TT tag is used to display the teletype. We need to close it with the help of \. Here, the particular name Priyanka or keyword Priyanka is displayed in the teletype text. This is the example of TT tag called as a teletype. Next is a underline tag. Basically, whenever we want to give the underline to particular text or the particular word, so we can use the U tag in the HTML. Here is the example of U tag is. Again, we have to consider same example. We want to display my name. U tag is closed. Whenever we run the U tag, with the help of this, we have to underline that word. This is the example regarding to the U tag in which we have to underline the keyword Priyanka and remaining text display as it is. Next is a subscript and superscript. Whenever we use the particular mathematical or the particular text as a subscript of the superscript of the contents, So we can consider that SUP for the subscript and SUP for the superscript and SUB for the subscript. Basically, this tag is surrounded by the opening SUP and closing SUP. The display on the web page is a superscript. It appears half a character which is above the other character. Means we have to consider the superscript text can be used for the text like when we display the second, means we have to display the ND on the top of that particular two. Okay, when we display the date, at that time we have to use the superscript parameter. And for the subscript, the text surrounded by the SUB closing and SUB opening bracket. So this tag is written in the superscript. So the appearance of the half text, which is below the baseline of that particular character or particular text. So the superscript text can be used for the chemical formula, like we have to represent the H2O, means we have to represent the 2 at the base of that particular H. So with the for this purpose, we have to use the subscript parameter. Here is the example. Whenever we display the particular text content as a subscript, then we have to use the SUB before the particular text, and after text we have to close that tag. For the superscript, again we have to mention before the text and close after the text. Here is the example through which we have to consider the subscript tag and superscript tag. Here is the example of subscript. Means whenever we want to display the chemical formula, we need to be consider the subscript. After that, we have to consider the superscript parameter to display the date. Here we have to represent the today's date, 22nd April 2021. For this purpose, we have to use the superscript option to perform the here we have to study the tag related to the text formatting through which we have to format the text.